Hello, my name is Sue. Today I'll be talking about ethic challenge of participatory culture. Before we go any further, I will talk about brief review of what is participatory culture. It is when any individual can not only be consumer but also can become producers who can interact and engage in creating and sharing an online community. According to Henry Jenkins, there are three core problems in new media learning. Number one is participatory gap. It is an inequality in student opportunity to access different resources, medias, and technology. The problem of whether students getting access to technology or not is growing. Having access to fast internet or slow internet can also affect student learning and participation because having access to digital media can help students to learn how to use educational tools effectively. Number two is transparency gap. It is the assumption that children are actively reflecting on their media experiences and participation. Students have a hard time to distinguish between credible sources and advertisement. Therefore, students need to learn the skill of separating facts from falsehood as they participate in digital culture. Lastly is ethic challenge. It is the assumption that children can develop ethical norms on their own online needed for a social environment, which will be mainly focused on it. The bigger problem in participatory culture is people are forgetting about the privacy of their posts, how much publicly their writing can spread around, and the consequences on the stuff they post online, whether it can benefit others or actually do harm to people. Due to unethical issues, it can lead to very serious consequences. For example, one of our readings, USA Today article where Brown University students were wrongfully accused, which Reddit user reported of him as a suspect of Boston bombing, which later found his body from the water off India Point Park in Rotherhithe. This is very clear reminder that people need to think twice before they're putting information out there on internet, which can do harm to innocent parties. According to NPR ethic guidelines, there are 10 principal solutions to avoid this kind of situation, which are listed in the following: accuracy, fairness, completeness, honesty, independence, impartiality, transparency, accountability, excellence, and respect, which all of can be summarized into that both in private and public life, we need to evaluate our words to be true as possible, not spreading information, but also to provide context, and also to remember that media is very powerful, very open plug, and anyone can see it anytime. As for my reaction, we all know that media is very powerful tools in spreading our message across. However, it is also very public. I agree that we always need to keep our minds on our toes when it comes to sharing posts online, because social medias and medias are a very dangerous place. Once you post, it will always be there, even if you delete it, because there are many eyes watching and screenshots ready to take. Like Jenkins said, we need to be constantly holding ourselves accountable and credible when it comes to sharing news or presenting anything to people or to media. Otherwise, the serious consequences may follow. Thank you.